of Lego's history. The Rubricable, that's cute, database includes the data on every Lego set that has ever been sold. Wow. The names of the sets, what bricks they contain, what color the bricks are, etc. It might be small bricks, but this is big data. In this project, you will get to explore the Rubricable database and answer a series of questions related to the history of Lego. That's pretty awesome. I like Legos. I used to have Legos when I was little. We're going to use Python to build a Python project that has specific solution with guided tasks and real-time automated code checks. Let's go. And this is just a project here in DataCamp. If you're interested in using DataCamp, they do offer free courses, or you can join and get $20 off from the code that is in the chat. So let's see what we got here. Let me move this over so we can have more of space of the actual project. It says, welcome to the Python project exploring 67 years of Lego. Wow, 67 years. We've done one before. Read the first paragraph in the notebook. Yeah. Okay, if all the tests pass, then they'll turn green. So it looks like we only have like 7 sections in here, so it's a pretty short project. And that's a good thing here. So let's look at the introduction. It says, everyone loves Lego, unless you ever stepped on one, because stepping on a Lego definitely hurts a lot. Those things are horrible. If you ever stepped on a Lego, let me know in the chat, because oh my gosh. Did you know, by the way, that Lego was derived from the Danish phrase legot? Cool. Play well. Well, that's cute. Unless you speak Danish, probably not. No, I didn't know that. In this project, we will analyze a fascinating data set on every single Lego block that's ever been built. Okay. So we don't have anything to do in that first section there. Looks like that was just the introduction. Let's see. A comprehensive database of Lego blocks is provided. The data is available as a CSV files, and the schema is shown below. So it looks like we have different data tables